Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So unfortunately, I have some bad news. Seems like recently there's been a lot of issues going on with auto manufacturers these days. We just want a vehicle that you buy new that has many years, trouble-free, no problems, no recalls, but that seems to not be the case anymore. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what Honda just released and how it's going to impact you. So a new recall just got released yesterday. And the crazy part about this one is Honda first learned about this back in 2017. And what this recall has to do with are airbags. So back in 2017, Honda started realizing that some of their airbags in their vehicles would go off by themselves. But it wasn't until 2021 that they found out that it was a bigger problem than they first thought. So fast forward 4 years, and the NHTSA sent Honda a preliminary evaluation request about this issue. Pretty much is exactly how it sounds. The NHTSA wanted Honda to look into the airbag issue about the airbags going off for no reason. Enter the 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey. So now this vehicle just got the recall. And like I said, many years ago, it was a problem, but it was never a full-blown recall because Honda said it wasn't a huge issue. But now they're stating that the airbags in these vehicles can unexpectedly just deploy. And it could be simple things like driving over a big pothole, speed bumps, or hitting some road debris. That's all it takes to set these off. So you can see how that would be a huge problem if you're driving down the road and you hit a pothole and the airbag goes off. And there's already been 25 counts of injury related to this. So definitely a major problem. And anytime you have airbags that are faulty, it's a huge issue because just like what this is stating, you just don't know if it's going to go off. So last thing you want is to go over, say, some train tracks, and then your airbag blows up in your face, and then that alone could cause a lot of injury as well. So that's why this is a huge issue, and it affects a big amount too. So this new recall affects over 440,000 Honda Odysseys between 2018 and 2022. So that's a lot. It's almost 500,000 of just one model. And of course, things like this, the fix isn't hard either. So Honda's saying what they're going to do is you take your car to the dealer and they'll inspect the SRS ECU and reprogram it or replace it with an improved unit that has different parameters. So as always, it's stating that they'll start sending letters out probably next month in May. But due to the seriousness of it, they're advising people, if you have a 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey, contact your dealer. They'll check it and see if you need to have it reprogrammed or a whole new unit put in. And just due to how this has already caused injuries, I wouldn't wait on this one, especially if you're carrying kids around. You know, airbag deployment can be a pretty serious thing, so you want to eliminate that and take care of this. So like I said, this just came out yesterday, and I remember a few years ago when this just started, and nothing really came out of this. So it is nice to see that they're actually going to fix this, but the bad part is there was 25 injuries due to this. So it seems like that's what it takes before they actually push the envelope on this to get it fixed. But again, there's a fix for it. So I urge you, if you have one of these Odysseys, don't wait for the letter. Just call your local Honda dealer. Tell them that you have a Honda Odyssey and that you think there might be a recall on it. They'll have you bring it in free of charge, of course, and check it out and get it fixed if it needs to be repaired. So when it comes to recalls, safety ones like this, I would not hesitate to get this taken care of. So again, I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop because this has been years now in the works, and finally a full-blown recall has taken effect. So just something that we expect nowadays, a lot of recalls with cars across the board really, but at least they get fixed for free, and then hopefully they start minimizing as time goes on. That's what we can hope for. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. Until next time, guys, have a good one.